What's up everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have a new unboxing for you guys. Today I have the Las Vegas International Airport layout here. Super excited to get this unboxed from Layover Layouts here. Let's get it unboxed. Okay guys, this thing is massive. Look at this. Alright everyone, behold, Las Vegas International Airport here. What a beautiful sight here, guys. I originally used this backdrop for Los Angeles because it's kind of like the desert mountains too, but I think I'm only going to use this for specifically Las Vegas layouts now, as this more represents the desert scenery in Las Vegas, or Nevada, or whatever you like to call it. So that's super cool. I will have a, ignore Waikiki here, I will have a Las Vegas city backdrop coming in the near future too. So stay tuned for that, guys. But yeah, let's go take a look at this new layout from Layover Layouts. Terminal by Model Airport Network, Custom Airport Buildings. They kind of have two names, but one account. Look at the detail here, guys. Still setting this up here, as you can see the lonely jet bridge there. But yeah, super cool. This is so accurate to, you know, the real terminal in Las Vegas here. This one is. This is actually part of my Hawaii terminal here, but it looks, you know, mostly like this. So I will be getting a terminal for this section too, guys. So stay tuned for that. Again, these are the D gates at Las Vegas International Airport. And then we have Terminal 3 right here. So we have layout by Layover Layouts, Model Airport Network for the terminal, Clipper models for the jet bridges here, GSE JetSent models here, as well as some Gemini jets and tiny tugs and fantasy wings. We also will be adding the Zephyr models here into it. Tarmac Designs tower here, guys. Let's get into this. Coming into this layout here at Las Vegas, you can see all the details that are added here by Chris at Layover Layouts. Absolutely amazing work. Did have this on my eye for a while here. I know that sometimes the terminals may fit or not, so it is a risk that you do need to take when you are purchasing a terminal from a different creator. But, you know, if it is, like they say, if it's true 1:400 scale, then, you know, it will fit. And both of these are true 1:400 scale. So, Layover Layouts here for the win. Got some of the hard stands here too. This is like the little food court area right here when you're sitting here at Las Vegas. I've flown in this terminal many times because I always fly on Delta, and you can see out here this view. I will be adding obviously more airplanes here tomorrow, guys, so just be patient here. Appreciate your patience here because it's going to look amazing. So yeah, like I said, we're just getting started here. Look at this view though, super cool. But yeah, these interesting V-shaped parking spots here. I did find these interesting here, especially with the way that these are too, because you don't find it like this at many other airports here with this type of parking. But I did obviously look at the satellite image, and this is very correct. Exactly. This layout was actually custom for another customer, but Chris was nice enough to print this off for me, so it was not nearly as much as the price as whoever paid to have this created, since it's already been designed here. A lonely jet bridge there, we'll be adding that shortly. But yeah, guys, let's go over here and take a look. As you can see, all the detail here as well. I love all the extra detail here on the sides. I will definitely be adding some cars for the arrivals here. I know Alaska and Frontier Park here, I was just doing some studying on flight radar, so I'll definitely be doing that too. Tarmac Designs for the win, guys. Ignore the backdrop here for Waikiki. I know it's hard to. Then I think United Park's over here at the D gates. I'll have to keep checking the flight radar. It's been a while, guys. I know we have Delta and American for sure, and Hawaiian Sun Country, but yeah. This is so accurate though. So you can see the taxi lines here. I remember seeing a British Airways 747 pushing back here a long time ago. I know they fly like the A350-1000 nowadays, I believe, into here, but yep, they're definitely always switching off here, guys. But yeah, let me give you guys another money shot here. Look at that. Super cool. I do plan to add more like the runway portions too. Question is, you know, will I be doing the other terminal? Maybe someday. But for now, since this design was kind of already created, that's mostly why I did get this layout here. But I do have all the Janet jets too for the Area 51, the white 737s with the red stripe on the side. So I will be adding those in the mix too here, for more of like runway shots. Wow, guys, I'll definitely be posting this photo here soon. Well, I'd like to thank you guys again for coming to my unboxing of the Layover layouts Las Vegas D and Terminal 3 gates. Like I said, this thing goes even farther over. Like, you got the whole side here, guys, with the hard stands too. So it goes way over. But yeah, guys, I think this is 96 by 96 inches. Maybe 90 by 90, don't quote me, I'm trying to think. But it's the same on each side, so you have to just kind of pick which way you want it to go out, I guess to say. I may try to turn it, but I think this works best because in real life, this is where like the desert is, and then this side is where like more of the city is. So that'll be more realistic there. But I'd like to thank you guys again for coming to my video today. Really do appreciate you guys. I'll do a lot more videos here, showing more, even like the Zephyr models on the layout. I'll be setting this up more tomorrow, like I said. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video here. Shout out to Chris at Layover Layouts. Shout out to Zach at Model Airport Network, Custom Airport Buildings. Shout out to Clipper Models. Shout out to Jet Set Models, Tiny Tugs, Fantasy Wings, Gemini Jets, of course. The home of Gemini Jets here, guys. Of course, NG Models, you name it, guys. Super cool. Tarmac Designs with the awesome tower here. And we'll see you guys in the future here. I got crazy plans for Las Vegas, guys. I'm going to have the different hotels made in 1 to 400 scale too, so stay tuned for that. But until next time, guys, happy collecting. Also check out the Plane Co. here. They have some awesome layouts, or shirts. They have t-shirts. They have posters. I'm going to have all these around my room, guys. It's so cool. Link in bio, guys, to all these amazing creators. Happy collecting.